Rain by CynthMD. Oh rain, rain, come stopping on my window pane. Can you hear the raindrops sounding from the rooftops? Like lively music they make, letting my spirits awake. Falling from the sky so bright, over gardens and fields alike. Showers of pure delight, precious waters of life. Oh rain, rain, keep tapping on my window pane. Will you never stop to keep coming back? Will you always be there for all of God's creatures you care?